Hi everyone, Jashraj here. I hope you are doing great. So today I will show you something really exciting. So how you can automate gratitude content creation by using AI and no code automation platform like Make.com. So what the system actually do is create the post, PDF and documentation by the single prompt, and all are personalized and generated using OpenAI and DALL-E. So let's see how this workflow actually works. So first we have the Google Sheet here. So basically this Google Sheet gets the all data from the sheet. Basically prompt. After getting the prompt, we have the aggregator. So this aggregator will aggregate the prompt and combine into array. Now we have the array. Now this set variable will use to get the first array from the different array. After getting the first array, we have the Google slide here. It creates the slide using the existing template. Okay, after creating the slide using the existing template, we have the OpenAI here. So basically this OpenAI will create the content and image using this module. Okay, after creating the image and content, we have the Google slide here again. So basically what this Google slide do here, it's get all the information about the Google slide by just getting the ID. Now after having the all information about Google slide, we search that information into Google Drive. Why? Because when we are searching into Google Drive for a different purpose, like for the download or deletion or updation, that's why we are using this search. So first search, we will search the Google slide here, and it could be one or multiple slide in Google Drive. So we will combine using array aggregator. After combining it, we will upload the image in the all this Google slide presentation. Okay, after uploading the image in the multiple Google slides, we have the Google Drive. Okay, so basically we use Google Drive here to download the all structured Google slide we have done. Okay, after downloading, we have a PDF into image. So it basically convert the Google slide into Google slide or PDF into image here. Why we are using it? Because we cannot post PDF on Instagram, so we use this to convert PDF into image. So after converting it, we are using the Instagram. So here the Instagram used to create post on Instagram. Basically that image will be posted on the Instagram with the caption. Now we have the again Google slide here. Basically we use this Google slide to delete or add in the existing sheet. So that's why we are using it. So and that's how you can automate the gratitude content creation. It works automatically. With this setup, you can completely automate the process of gratitude content messaging, designing visuals, creating PDF and documentation, and posting them directly on Instagram, all from the single Google Sheet. It's safe. Why we are using it? Because it saves time, maintain consistency and scalability, and we can create content across the multiple platform effortlessly. Thank you for watching. This is Yashral signing off.